This graphic shows Chinese soybean demand in these dark blue bars and imports in these lighter bars. And this bar had been right up to this line, which is a trend line, an exponential trend line. On this bar on imports had been just below that, and I've been warning in the last couple of reports, don't be surprised if the growth in demand flattens out. USDA didn't just flatten it out, they brought it down a couple million metric tons. I'm not ready to go there yet, which is the primary reason my ending stocks number is closer to 500 million bushels. But USDA is shrinking it, not necessarily shrinking protein demand in China. I wouldn't agree with that. But what this whole issue did was made USDA take a better look at South American production and the fact that Argentina and Brazil have incentive to expand production because of currency exchange rates and because they feel China is going to continue to come their way. So they brought Brazil and Argentina production both up to numbers that I think are more realistic and much closer to where my numbers are at. And they flattened the demand and actually pulled demand back a little bit. I wouldn't have pulled it back. I just had a flattening. That's not a big difference in big scheme, but they got a more realistic Chinese demand picture. And that's why the big surprise, going from 385 million bushel new crop ending stocks projection last month to 580. That's almost 200 million bushel increase. That's just unbelievable, and have soybeans end up in the green for the day.